Meghalaya. Ka jingsngan ha ka imlang salang ningkong baro ki jingeshan by bam lingba ka social welfare ansa kan tiu sha ka shiajar tingka shibenai kata ka long khat arjar tingka shisnem
hakane ka apnyo trek urumphang shan ya ka sap jong phi haki artli ki sintiu bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC
Modi.
BJP.
Because I'm done with the leaders who don't care. Now I want a leader who cares.
Wherever they come into power, they change the landscape of the state.
Lada, Umudi, Ulak Ban Penrai ya ka Gujarat, Kumjuk Hiru ya ka Meghalaya, Ulak Ban Penrai.
Unongiram ka seng Congress bat UMP ka Lok Sabha Gaurav Gogoi aga arphotarik ubna rempang arajar arpulai ula kenno bo Chief Minister Conrad Sangma udai unyangko ngu jong Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma badu sya penyai ni kontrol pat Amit Shah na Delhi ula ongru baka neda North East Drama Alliance bat ka khusnam Oscar na benta ka Best Actor dai ban samlang happening Union Home Minister Amit Shah Assam Chief Minister, Padu Chief Minister Jong Gajilla Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma, like a BJP but NPP.
Because for the next 5 years, it is not only about the economy of Meghalaya, it is not only about the law and order and the safety of young people and women in Meghalaya, it is also about respecting and protecting and defending our tribal culture, tribal values, and it's mainly to say that Meghalaya will be governed by Meghalaya, not by Dispur and certainly not by Nagpur. So with that, I will close my opening statement, and if you have any questions, all three of us are here, we'll be happy. There is this entire team of fresh young candidates, people who have graduated from IM, people who have service in the government, many women candidates, highly educated candidates, candidates who come from the community, from the civil society. So people of Meghalaya are seeing a whole set of fresh faces within Vincent Pala and the list of candidates that we have chosen. And that is what we are going to the people of Meghalaya with. That you have seen the 5 years of MDA, you have seen how TMC uses cut money. So give Congress Party, this Congress Party, a new Congress Party, a chance, and we are seeing that. And it must, again, the drama that BJP are doing, I mean, Himanta Biswa Sharma is coming to Assam and saying, no, Christian community is safe. Please ask him what has happened in Majuli. In Majuli, how people preaching the Christian faith have been targeted. How buildings in which the Lord's Prayer is uttered has been targeted. How missionaries from outside who want to discuss Lord Jesus' message, they have been targeted. And they talk about respecting the Christian faith. Not at all. We have all seen the letter that has gone from the superintendent of police to all the districts in which they've been asked to do a survey of only Christian institutions. Why? If you want to do a survey of all religious institutions. Why did you single out only Christian institutions? So clearly, this is the BJP model. You understand, go back into RSS history, go back into what MS Govalkar has said, and he has always, MS Govalkar, he has highlighted the Christian community in his political messaging. Whether it's drugs, whether it's violence, whether it's local law and order, whether it's corruption, people of Meghalaya are fed up and they want to see somebody new. Now there is this new party called TMC in Meghalaya. But so when people of Meghalaya are putting TMC, West Bengal and putting that search item in Google, the first thing that shows is cut money. And they realize that how the Chief Minister of West Bengal herself has acknowledged the role that cut money has played in West Bengal, where ordinary people, in order to get benefit of government schemes, first has to pay money to a TMC local party worker, and that is cut money. and thousands of ordinary people have been cheated. They give money hoping that they will get some benefit, but they don't get that. And the Chief Minister of West Bengal has herself admitted that her party takes cut money. And this is what they want to bring to Meghalaya. TMC wants to bring wants to import their cut money system in Meghalaya. As it is with Sharda scam, one of their ministers has been arrested with respect to college admissions, Dr. Partha Chatterjee. And then we know how their prominent leaders, I'm not taking names, their prominent leaders are engulfed in gold scams and gold mafia in West Bengal. And they want to now usurp, take over, hijack the coal and natural resources in TMC. Both BJP and TMC are eyeing the coal in Meghalaya. BJP wants to sell it to Adani, and TMC wants to add to the ill-gotten gains they get from all these syndicates. So people are fed up. What they are saying in the Congress party is that here is a leader, Mr. Vincent Phala, who has been advocating, who has been fighting for the cause of Meghalaya in the parliament, who has administrative experience as MOS, who is known as someone who can get the job done, who has been instrumental in getting various development projects in his constituency, has been broken. Some corruption is being talked about. Some BJP leaders' nexus with child trafficking or woman trafficking is being exposed. Some NPP ministers, family members are getting government contracts, that's getting exposed. So it pains me, because I'm from the neighboring state. I wish to see the Northeast being represented in a positive manner, but it pains me that Meghalaya is, for the last 5 years, has been in the news for the wrong reasons, for the mismanagement done by NPP, BJP and the UDP. And it pains me to see the kind of suffering the people of Meghalaya have had to undergo, especially in law and order. Every 6 months there's some law and order situation. Just few months after the MDA government was sworn in, Shillong was rocked by violence in the Punjabi lane in the sweepers colony. In 2020, in March, there was violence in Shella constituency, several dead and injured. On 13th August 2021, Chesterfield, thank you, was killed, and then Shillong was again, we saw the situation there. In October 2022, the unemployment rally in Shillong became violent. And obviously on the 22nd November 2022, Border Village, 5 innocent villagers were killed. It's just unfortunate to see the law and order suffer under this MDA government, despite Chief Home Minister Amit Shah coming to Shillong so many times. Despite all these NEDA meetings taking place, Assam-Meghalaya border issue remains a photo op, and due to the mismanagement of both chief ministers, we saw this issue where 5 people were killed in police fighting. And drugs, the problem of drugs have only increased. They have been, every couple of months we see how police, they are capturing some 100 grams of heroin, vials of drugs. And despite this, the problem, all these arrests, the problem of drugs is not coming down, it's only increasing. The NPP chief minister has been a puppet in the hands of the Assam chief minister. And Assam chief minister's remote control is also not with him. His remote control is with Home Minister Amit Shah. Why? Because of Sharda and Louis Berger. When the Home Chief Minister Himanta Sharma was in the Congress party, all the BJP used to come to Assam and say, listen, we will come and we will open all the files of Sharda, Louis Berger. And then Chief Himanta Sharma joined BJP, and all these Sharda files are closed, Louis Berger files are closed, all these files are sitting with Home Minister Amit Shah because he is CBI, Income Tax, ED. So all these Sharda files are with Amit Shah. So in Himanta Biswa Sharma's Ji's mind, Amit Shah is his Prime Minister, not Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And in a public meeting, you can check with Babita Ji also. In a public meeting, Himanta Biswa Sharma ji addressed Amit Shah as the Prime Minister also. I'm not lying. You can ask your colleagues in Assam media. Why? Because he fears all the files, Sharda, Louis Bajar with him. So, Meghalaya Chief Minister's remote control sitting in Dispur and Dispur's remote control sitting in Home Minister Amit Shah's office. So where does that leave this NEDA? This NEDA was supposed to be a Northeast Democratic Alliance, but looking at the speeches, it has become a Northeast Drama Alliance. Just drama. They both want to come together again. Again they will come together. If they return to power, both will come together, both will continue, and the scams will continue. People know that. People of Meghalaya are quite wise. They have seen the kind of great Meghalaya loot that has taken place under the supervision of all these three individuals. Home Minister Amit Shah, who comes to Meghalaya repeatedly, addresses the Northeast Council meeting in Shillong. Has the great Meghalaya loot has taken place under the supervision of Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma, who keeps meeting his Meghalaya counterpart, and the great Meghalaya loot has taken place under the supervision and permission of Chief Minister Conrad Himanta. And what is this great Meghalaya loot? The Assembly Dome collapse scam, the 816 crore COVID scam, the 500 crore MUDA scam, the press coverage of the rallies of NPP and the rallies of BJP. And I must give the best prize for acting to both these two parties. I think you have to share the Oscars for Best Actor between Home Minister Amit Shah, Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma and Chief Minister Conrad Himanta. All of the level of the tone that they are using in their speeches to attack each other. Where was all this hostility for the last 5 years? For the last 5 years, BJP in Delhi is saying it is our government in Meghalaya. It is our government in Meghalaya. We have captured the Northeast. Congress was there in Meghalaya, now we have come in Meghalaya. And now they come to Meghalaya and they say, no, corruption was not done by me. What kind of double standards are they? They are lying somewhere. Either they are lying to the people of Delhi. Home Minister Amit Shah is lying to the people of Delhi saying that it is our government in Meghalaya, or Home Minister is lying to the people of Meghalaya and saying, no, it's not our government. All of this is drama. Both the parties are here to loot the resources of Meghalaya and to cheat the ordinary hardworking people. Dono mile hue. Both are brothers in arms. But one is a younger brother, one is a elder brother. Younger brother is Chief Minister Meghalaya, elder brother is Chief Minister Assam. Because your Chief Minister, the way the BJP have treated him, look at the way they on his back, they got into the government, they enjoyed everything, got 2 ministers, enjoyed all the money from all the loot, from all the scams, and now when it comes to time of election, they are just throwing him away. And so he's not even a full chief minister, he's like a half chief minister. Because most of the main decisions seems to be taking place in Assam. By Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma, he is coming and saying, we will do this, we will do that, we will do this. So people of Meghalaya, the BJP are not giving any respect. Meghalaya people will choose their own chief minister. Their chief minister will sit in Shillong, not sit in Dispur, not sit in BJP party office, not in, and the decisions will be made in the cabinet of the Meghalaya chief minister, not in the cabinet meeting of Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma.
Meghalaya ka jingsngan ha ka imlang saalang ningkong baro ki jinggeshan by bam lingba ka social welfare ansa kentiu sha ka shia jating ka shibenai kata ka long khat ar jating ka shisnem
Hakane ka apnyo trek urempang Shanya ka sharp jong pi haki artli kisentil bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.
Modi.
Modi.
BJP.
Because I'm done with the leaders who don't care. Now I want a leader who cares.
Wherever they come into power, they change the landscape of the state.
Lada umudi ulak ban penrai ya ka Gujarat, kumjuk hiru ya ka Meghalaya ulak ban penrai.
Stronger BJP, stronger